Hello and welcome you all guys. Now I'm going to unbox MIUI DuoPods M20. Is it still worth in 2020? Yeah, let's just find out. So I purchased it from Flipkart. As you all know, the regular viewers of my channel, I love MIUI products. MIUI, do you hear that? So guys, this product I purchased from a sale, so that I got this product for just 999, which is a tremendous offer in my view, because this product is still selling for somewhat around 2500 or so. So this is the box package. As you know, MIUI is little packaging. MIUI is known for its packaging. So this is latest version, I think. So all the key specifications are in the box backside. So I purchased black color. So I purchased this via Flipkart. It reached me within a week. So due to this lockdown condition, I totally agree that. So let's remove the wrap around this box package. As you all guys know that removing this box is a headache. So I will try my best, because maybe what it will do generally is it will just suffocate the bags, so it doesn't shake inside. And another common thing, you will get a hello MIUI small cutout. So this will welcome the user to the MIUI experience. So this is the main content, the MIUI DuoPods M20. So this is the charging port. So we got another box. Inside the box, we will have USB charging cable and some set of earbuds. Inside that we got a user manual, which is not required, just throw it away. I'm just kidding. If anyone don't know how to pair or some general inquiries, you can always view that. It is very handy. So we will move towards our main products. So this is the MIUI DuoPods M20. I want to mention here that MIUI DuoPods M40 is also available, which is nothing predecessor of this M20, which has somewhat extra glossy finish and somewhat updates. I will let you know in future of this video. So guys, please stay tuned. This is a detailed video, and I'm going to talk about step-by-step procedure of this connection and pairing the device. Also, I will talk about pros and cons at last of this video. So stay tuned. So this is the earbud or DuoPod, you can say. The small hole which you saw is a mic, and I want to let you know that these DuoPods can act as a monopod also. It means you can wear it in the single ear also. So let's charge and see how much charge it has. As you can see, it has somewhat 75% of charge. This charging case and DuoPods will charge simultaneously, as you can see in the video. So I also unboxed many MIUI products. To see that, click on the top right I button. Pairing steps ahead, which means I will show you the pairing step by step. First step is throw the user manual away. Step 1. Open your Bluetooth in your mobile device and make it visible if it is unvisible. Next, step 2 is take the both the duo parts out and keep it within 3 centimeter for 5 seconds or so. What it will happen if you keep the both the duo parts nearly, means it will just pair both. It will automatically pair between left and right. So after that you can connect it to the device. It will connect as a paired device. If you want to use as a monopad, just take whichever you want, I mean left or right. You can connect it with your device. It will act as a monopad. So controlling is very simple. You can pause this screen and you can watch it. I have simplified from the user manual. So I will show you the demo here. Let's just open our favorite NCS musics. Ads here. So wait. So this is any duo part. I mean, this is a right duo part. If you tap once, it will play or pause the video or song or anything you play. Then if you double tap the right ear pod, it will forward or it will move to next. Similarly, if you double tap the left duo pod, it will move to previous or it will move backwards. This is the simple controlling features. And if you tap thrice, it will activate your personal assistant, I mean mobile assistant. It may be Siri, Alexa or Google Assistant. In my case it's Google Assistant. So here we come for the part of pros and cons. So guys, the pros are, first of all, the value for this money. It's amazing. It is full of paisa vasool product in my opinion. Second thing, the brand assurance. It is the MIUI brand. It's my favorite brand also. The MIUI brand, the quality comes first. They never let down the quality. So the sound quality is also okay, but the main cons in my opinion are the connectivity issue. Sometimes in my laptop or PC the connectivity takes much hassle and the bass is not so rich, but it's very much okay. That's all the cons. So this is my work. If you like my work, please like, share and subscribe guys. Making videos are somewhat of effort. Please subscribe. It will feel me happy. Thank you.